This incredibly creamy and delicious peanut butter is so tempting you won't be able to resist. That beast machine steps into the fields and starts shaking, loosening the peanuts from the roots and turning them inside out. After the plants are dug up, and they're left to dry in the sun for a few days, now the excess moisture is removed from the peanuts and they are ready to pick them up. Here comes those bulky mechanical friends to do this job way much easier than it seems. It picks up the dried plants, separates the peanuts from other debris, and collects them in a hopper. From last decade, China has been the largest producer of peanuts, and this strategic country usually makes a final count of around 20 million tons of peanuts every year. We have arrived at the facility where the entire peanut pile is fed into the cleaning setup. The unwanted stuff like stones, twigs, and other foreign materials are removed through pre-screening. This deshelling process is most satisfying when the machines delicately remove the outer shells of peanuts and reveal that beautiful, potential, and healthy nut we all were waiting for. Hang in there for a moment. They need to inspect manually for a quality check before they send the peanuts towards seed coating removing machines. Here, with a gentle shaking, a lot of air pressure, and proper programming, that brownish skin is removed from the peanuts. The peanuts are treated with the medium boiling process to lock their texture and flavor and sanitize the peanuts by killing off any harmful bacteria or microorganisms. By keeping the approximate boiling temperature near 121 centigrades. However, it varies from company to company. As soon as the hopper is filled with the boiled peanuts, they are immediately packed and sealed in the cans for distribution. These roasted peanuts are going to transform into something super buttery and delicious totally. Following a little roasting, the peanuts are cooled down to reach a temperature that is safe for handling and prevents them from becoming too hot or soggy during grinding. Those chosen peanuts take a trip towards this grinder and start revealing the smooth, buttery paste we all crave for. It keeps on grinding the peanuts until it reaches the desired smoothness, and the magic ingredients that will enhance the flavor keep on adding little by little. This whirlwind of crushing and blending turns those nuts into pure deliciousness until its homogenizations turn. This step is a chaos that gives way to harmony. Through higher pressure, the peanut butter gained its final and smooth texture. Witness this final stage, where the bottles are getting filled and sealed to secure the fresh peanut butter inside the bottles. Automated machines like filling and cap sealing machines work tirelessly, ensuring each jar is brimming with creamy goodness. Each jar gets dressed up ready to impress on the supermarket shelf. Whether spread on toast, topped over ice cream, or simply enjoyed a spoonful, chocolate peanut butter never fails to delight the senses. Chocolate peanut butter serves the taste buds with its rich, creamy texture and harmonious blend of sweet and desired nutty flavors. Look at those different patterns those machines are creating to give us that satisfying sight. That's more like a powerhouse of protein and other essentials for muscle repair and growth. It's delicious and satisfies your hunger between meals. Those roasted peanuts are ready for a delicious chocolate coating. This chocolate coating process requires precision to ensure each peanut is evenly coated. After coating, the peanuts are left to cool and harden. Once cooled, they are carefully packaged into food-grade safe containers for distribution and sale. Have you ever tried these? Honestly, I never have. If we talk about those chilled and delightful ice creams, you all know it's pretty popular around the globe. Every day in the United States, people consume around 50 million ice cream pints. That's enough to fill more than 9 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Whether it's a hot summer day or a chilly winter evening, Americans' love for this sweet treat stays strong all year round. And why won't it? Just look at how creamy, rich, and delightful they are. Have you ever tried these Taiwanese crackers? They are pretty familiar and loved by many from adults to children. In addition to their delicious taste and texture, Taiwanese crackers are also celebrated for their simplicity. Made from basic ingredients, they create a magical burst of flavors inside your mouth. Also, their straightforward approach allows the natural flavors to shine through, resulting in an authentic and satisfying snacking experience. These snacks come in a range of textures, from crispy and airy to dense and crunchy. In the last few years, there have been several conspiracies about their oil spraying, but I don't think it is a problem because if you dig deeper, snacking as a whole would be considered unhealthy. But after much time, a little snacking won't hurt. Do you agree? No doubt, at least their production is pretty satisfying to watch. Check out the magical power of these automated systems for juice filling sectors where every drop counts, reducing electricity consumption. You will barely see more than a few workers working around because of the efficient automation. Goodness, talking about these bulky productions is my love language. I always fall for them. Do you? If it's a yes, we are the same bro, so cheers to that. I want you to comment down below and let us all know whether you prefer bottled or fresh juices and why is that. Think you had a hard time scooping out the sweet and juicy flesh from the pineapple shell? I ruined 4 large pineapples just to bring out a nice pineapple ring. Didn't waste the rest though. Surprisingly, the burger meat patties are low in carbs. A beef patty typically has none unless extras are added. These delicious burger patties are full of energy and nutrients, perfect for fueling your day in the most appealing ways you have ever imagined. Dried apricots are far healthier sweet-dried fruits that can be enjoyed on their own, as a satisfying snack, or added to various dishes like salads, oatmeal, trail mix, or baked goods for a natural sweetness and nutritional boost. However, it's important to consume dried apricots in moderation due to their concentrated sugar content. Strawberries are delicious, sweet, and the most consumed fruit all around the world. But the question is, how can we have them fresh throughout the year? It has become more convenient since the companies have launched canned foods. This way we can enjoy fresh strawberries all year, even when they are not producing. So popping open a can and getting a burst of summer in every bite, either to top on your morning yogurt or blending into a smoothie, these beautiful fruits give you a lovely vibe. Honestly, these chickens are far more taken care of, here, secure, and cleaned than the other local farms. Even in those large poultry facilities, they keep an eye on every chicken by using those robotic scanners, so they know every chicken is healthy, happy, and playing in the advanced barns. Plus, did you notice those eggs systematically laying on the front row? That's how their automation works. It's all being observed and monitored until the eggs safely reach these units where they will be tested for quality, etc. Here, the eggs automatically arrange for several inspections like leaker and cleaning purposes. Now comes this major egg inspector, which will approve only good eggs before they go into the disinfection chamber to remove any microorganisms or pathogens. And lastly, they are ready to come your way. No matter how some people oppose the idea of bottled juices, soft drinks, or any other processed liquids, having a limited time at breakfast, I fall for those bottled and tasty juices every time. We all know it's not a healthy activity. I mean, it hardly takes 10 to 15 minutes to extract the fresh juice. Anyway, that's not just my problem. The majority of us think of extracting fresh juices, but having a shorter time at hand, they choose convenience. Not every bottled juice is bad. Some names do a lot of effort to maintain hygiene and stay out of preservatives when it comes to the fruit juices. So, go for them. I will say, Unless you have figured out what's best for you and it's not ruining your health, it's all good. I'm glad we made it out successfully, most importantly, together. And please take good care of yourselves for us. You are precious.
If we need to make that yummiest jam, we probably should focus on the healthy growth of the fruits too. Now this matter is being set under a strict guide. But yeah, giving those pots the healthier and fluffy mud with the precise amount of materials. Now these robots start at the bottom by planting strawberry plants in containers or pouches. Water is essential, so they water each pot carefully to keep the strawberries happy and hydrated. When the strawberries grow big and red, it's time to pick them. For this purpose, this gigantic robot activates its clutches to delicately pick the ripened strawberry only. Since they're on different levels, it's easy to reach and pluck the delicious berries. This entire automation is so beautiful and satisfying. How these robots peculiarly pick up the strawberry from the stem and cut it without harming it. In botanical terms, berries have their seeds inside the flesh, but strawberry seeds are on the outside, so they didn't consider it in a berry list? Those fresh strawberries have arrived at their final destination, and here they will get even royal treatment. Just a little stop for weight check. Once they make sure the demanded number of strawberries has arrived, they take them to the sorting units, and you better know what's going to be here with them. Of course, keeping you in mind, they're going to take that slack of strawberries for manual check and make sure that only good quality strawberries are going further. Once they're sure of that, they let them pass on until they reach safe hands. Yup, these people are going to place each strawberry in that mold for the game-changing results. These robots automatically detect the green hull of a strawberry and beautifully just remove it without harming any other inch of the fruit. This is mind-blowing. Everything is under mechanical control. You can see how sharp eyes they have. Come on, they're doing this for you. Strawberries grow close to the ground, making them more susceptible to dirt, sand, and even tiny insects. The first wash, often a combination of water and little vibrations, removes these surface impurities. That's very important, but you know, fruits and veggies like these need another bath too. That's why they're giving them the second wash, often involving specialized sprays or misting with solutions like chlorine dioxide, which takes care of the tougher particles like pesticide residues and bacteria. This double-troubled approach ensures the strawberries are as clean and safe as possible. They care about you. We care about you. See how honored we are to have you, just like these red, juicy strawberries. These fresh strawberries are now put into these containers. Yup, that's how you get the true and fresh flavor of frozen strawberries, because they are the same as, what to say, straight from farms to your plate. They are packed and firmly sealed to lock the pulpy fruit inside the food-grade containers. Just check out that a large number of the cans. Secondly, they use some of the frozen strawberries to make that glittery, yummy strawberry jam. All these frozen berries are put into the carriers to take them to the next stop, which is to load them into a container to add further ingredients. As the strawberries are loaded now, it's turn to add further ingredients like sugar. They make sure the jam looks good, tastes good, and has the perfect texture. Once the handsome amount of sugar is poured, they need to control those figures and machines' capabilities by playing with some important buttons. The hot water tub is ready for these beautiful entities to enter and get bathed in the sweet syrup. What are they peeking at? Okay, the real drama has just begun. Once all the pulp comes to mix in that syrup, they put that material through sieves. This is important to give you that pulpless, smooth, jiggly jelly jam. Mixing, and more mixing. Everything is heated up in big pots or machines to make the strawberries blend and taste awesome. A special thing called pectin is added to make the jam just the right thickness. It's time to cook the material until it reaches its perfect texture. And that desired texture can be seen here. I think it's done. Yup, he's gonna test the jam base, if it's ready or needs to be cooked more. And yeah, it's good to go. Now the final process begins to churn the mixture to add a little more smoothness and to cool it side by side a little. Now it's like letting the flavors and textures settle and become best friends before they get packed into jars. And just wait, here we go. The whole warm jam base is ready. More close-up? Here it is. That creamy, smooth flow of my favorite jam, it's driving me crazy. Okay, time to pour that base and lock it in the jars. For that, these empty and starving bottles arrive that are first neatly organized properly. The jam is carefully poured into jars, all by itself. This process is usually automated in factories, with machines making sure each jar gets the right amount of fruity goodness. Here we reach their sealing stage, where lots of lids are first picked in a proper style, which is beautifully conveyed to the roller coaster sort of belt, and finally to the sealing section, where machines tightly seal the jars with lids. Okay. All those bottles are washed after being tightly sealed so that whatever sweetness remains on the outer side of the jars will be bathed away. We're now in the sticker sections, where the robots will conveniently wrap stickers around these bottles, so you will easily identify it's factory sealed and of course read that chart before eating anything. It's a good habit though if you do. Well, I don't, whereas there's another technique too to add the labels. One by one, all the bottles are labeled from whatever company they belong to and then piled up in the containers for the final bulk packaging. Bye-bye jam bottles. Don't forget my address and reach me soon. These mini jam bottles are filled up with the same freshness of fruit pulp and flavor to enrich your taste buds. Those little nasty jam packets. You know, the ones at restaurants, tucked next to the bread basket, bursting with fruity sunshine in one tiny bite. They're more than just sugar bombs. Might be tiny, but they're full of flavors to serve as starters for every meal. Also, these bite-sized marvels help stop food waste and make sure every spoonful is just right.
These machines are the backbone of many industries, from food production to textile manufacturing to construction. With their robust blades and precise cutting mechanisms, they're built to tackle even the toughest materials with ease. Imagine a scene where smoky aromas fill the air as meat sizzles on the grill, tantalizing taste buds with every flip and sear. Curious about the staggering output of flatbread producing machines in a single day? Prepare to be amazed. These efficient marvels can churn out an impressive number of flatbreads, thanks to their high-speed capabilities and precision engineering. Depending on the size and capacity of the machine, production numbers can vary widely, ranging from thousands to even tens of thousands of flatbreads per day. Crafted with the finest ingredients and expert technique, our pastries are a symphony of flavors and textures. Meet chocolate depositors, the sweet secret behind every delectable treat. Hazelnuts are packed with nutrients like protein, healthy fats, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Not only do they promote heart health and aid in weight management, but they also support brain function and contribute to healthy skin and hair. These little blue gems are packed with antioxidants, which help fight off harmful molecules in our bodies and keep us feeling great. Motivate us to create more satisfying videos like these and smash the like button. These factories aren't just about quantity, they're about crafting quality too, ensuring that each slice of salami delivers a burst of savory perfection. Removing the skin helps trim down on excess fat and calories. You see, much of the fat in chicken resides in the skin, so by peeling it off, you're opting for a leaner, healthier option. Additionally, without the skin acting as a barrier, marinades and seasonings can penetrate the meat more effectively, enhancing flavor throughout. Talking about almonds, you must eat them daily so you can remember us and keep watching our videos. Cheese holds a special place on plates globally, with millions indulging in its creamy goodness daily. Hey, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button so we'll know how many people are interested in watching our upcoming videos. The ancient Egyptians were one of the first civilizations to enjoy sweets, using honey as a primary sweetener. That minced meat, also known as ground meat, is incredibly versatile and used in a wide array of dishes worldwide. From savory meatballs to juicy burgers, its adaptability knows no bounds. It all boils down to freshness and food safety. Ideally, you want to consume tray-sealed meat within a few days of purchase to ensure peak freshness and flavor. Let's crunch into the world of factory-made, delicious potato chips. From sourcing the finest potatoes to adhering to strict quality control standards, these factories ensure that each chip meets the crispy, satisfying standard you expect. These machines are the backbone of large-scale food operations, capable of handling a wide variety of produce with speed and accuracy. These factory-prepared meals undergo stringent quality control measures to ensure they meet safety and nutritional standards. From automated sorting systems that ensure only the highest quality ingredients make it onto the production line to the state-of-the-art packaging machines that swiftly seal products for freshness. These machines are essential for meeting consumer demand while maintaining high standards. Each pepper is carefully inspected for size, color, and quality, ensuring only the best make it to market. Each juicy bite is a refreshing explosion of tangy sweet goodness, leaving taste buds dancing with delight. These innovative contraptions are designed to streamline the process of pouring batter with precision and consistency. These machines are the masters of precision, effortlessly dispensing just the right amount of batter, dough, or filling with each press of a button. That's where the multi-head weighing machine shines. Its multiple weigh heads work simultaneously to ensure accuracy and efficiency. Imagine effortlessly removing the outer layer of fruits and vegetables with precision and finesse. That's the magic of these machines. From potatoes to oranges, they strip away the tedious task of manual peeling, saving you time and labor costs. But it's not just about convenience, it's about consistency. With peeling machines, you get uniform results every time, ensuring your products look as good as they taste. Hey, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button so we will know how many people are interested in watching our upcoming videos. Wait, before watching this clip, weren't you thinking peeling kiwis is the hardest thing to do? I mean, it's messy, but not anymore. It's not just about indulgence, there are benefits too. Chocolate breads pack a double punch of flavor and nutrition. Bursting with tropical flavor and juiciness, mangoes are nature's candy that never disappoints. From automated temperature control to efficient oil filtration systems, they're designed to optimize performance and minimize wastage. Flatbreads help keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods, making them a great option for those looking to manage their weight. Never ever underestimate the efficiency of such machines. Sunflower seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin E and selenium. That's a wrap for today, but if you want to watch more videos like these, you can find us here.